What's up everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to use and connect a USB device to your Android or iPhone using an OTG device. So firstly, plug your flash drive, SD card reader or other USB device into the full-size USB female end of the OTG. Make sure the device is compatible and properly inserted. Now plug the USB-C or micro USB end of the OTG adapter into your phone's charging or data port, and your phone should detect the device automatically. Now swipe down from the top of the screen to open the notification shade. Tap the notification that says USB drive or USB storage, and some phones automatically open a file manager when a USB device is connected. So you can now browse the files stored on your flash drive. Tap any file to view, open or copy it to your phone. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.